Dear friends, in Heron's formula, exercise 12.1, first question we have. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of signal board? So we are given that signal board is of equilateral triangle shape, and its each side is A. This is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. We are asked to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So let us find. This is a triangle given to us. ABC is a triangle. In triangle ABC, or you can say triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. And each side AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, that is equal to A. Now let us find perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC, that is equal to 3A. S is equal to semi perimeter, that is 3A upon 2. Now we have, according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. Please note here, ABC are the sides of the triangle. Now for us, we are having all these sides as A, so this is equal to S is 3A upon 2 in bracket S is 3A upon 2 minus A. Second is 3A upon 2 minus B, and third is also 3A upon 2 minus B is also A, and third side is also A. So this is equal to under root 3A upon 2. Now make the denominator same. So this will be 3A minus 2A upon 2. This will be 3A minus 2A upon 2, and others will also be same. 3A minus 2A upon 2. This will be 3A minus 2A upon 2. So this is equal to under root 3A upon 2. This will be A upon 2. Second bracket will also be A upon 2. Third bracket will also be A upon 2. Now please note, denominators are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2's are there, so 2 2's will come out. From these two, we will get 2 into 2 outside. So we have selected 1 from 2. Then here there are 4 A's. 1, 2, 3, A. So 2 will come outside. And there is only 1 3, so it will remain inside the root. So we will get area of triangle is equal to I will write this side. Area of triangle is equal to root 3 A square, and at the denominator we will have 4. So root 3 A square upon 4 is the area of equilateral triangle. Next we are given, if the perimeter is 180 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to sum of three sides. Perimeter is equal to 3A, and this is equal to 180 centimeters. It means A is equal to 180 upon 3 centimeter, that is equal to 60 centimeters. Now we have got A's value, so area of triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4. A is 60 bracket square. So this is equal to root 3 upon 4. 6 square is 36 centimeter square. 4 9s are, we will get 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is area of the triangle, and that same will be the area of the signal board. Therefore, area of signal board is is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Second question in 12.1 exercise is, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So you in book picture is given, this is a flyover and this is a triangular wall which is hired for 3 months. It is hired for 3 months, and the triangular walls are of the size of 122 meters, then 22 meters and 120 meters. Please note, we are not given this is a right angle or not, so we cannot use half into base into height formula to find the area of the triangle. So since three sides are given to us, we can use the Heron's formula. Let the triangle be ABC, and therefore we will have AB is equal to 22 meters, then BC is equal to 120 meters, and AC is equal to 122 meters. Now perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, that is equal to 22 plus 120 plus 122 meters, that is equal to 4, 6, 264 meters. Now semi-perimeter, S is equal to perimeter upon 2, that is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, or you can say this is equal to A, this is equal to B, this is equal to C. So we will get A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 264 upon 2, that is equal to 132 meters. Now according to Heron's formula we have, according to Heron's formula area is equal to Heron's formula, we have area of triangle is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C, where A, B, C are the three sides of the triangle, and we have now 132 into 132 minus A is 22, then next is 132 minus 120, and last is 132 minus 122. So this is equal to under root 132 multiplied by, this will be 110, this is equal to 12, this is equal to 10. Now what I suggest you factorize this in such a way that instead of factorizing till the last, factorize it in such a way that we will be able to take out of the square root. So this is equal to 12 into 11, this is equal to 11 into 10, this is equal to 12, 10. Now of the two tens, 1 will come out, of the two 11s, of the two 12s, 1 will come out, and of the two 11s, 1 will come out. So this is equal to 12 into 11 into 10 meter square. This is equal to, we are just solved, 11 into 12, that is 132, into 10 is 1320 meter square. Now rate of advertisement. Rate of advertisement is 5,000 per meter square per year. Please note, this is equal to 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. Per year means 12 months. So this is equal to 5,000 upon 12 per meter square per month. Try to understand this. Per month. I have divided by 12, so I will get 5000 upon 12 per meter square per month. Now for 3 months, it will be 3 multiplied by 5000 upon 12 per meter square per 3 months. For 3 months. For 3 months. For 3 months. Or you can write here for 3 months. For 3 months, rate is equal to 3 multiplied by rate for 1 month. Now it is 5. So total, how much rent did it pay? So rent to be paid is equal to rent to be paid is equal to area multiplied by this, that is equal to area multiplied by rate, that is equal to 1320 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5000 upon 12 rupees. So this is equal to 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 0 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5000 rupees. So this is equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 zeros as it is, fourth 0 also as it is, 3 5s are 15, 15 ones are 15, 1 carries, and 15 ones are 15 plus 1, 16 rupees. So it means it is 16 lakh 50,000 rupees. Last answer must be written in words. The company must pay rupees 16 lakh 50,000.